Hey folks, JC here, Car Logic Group, home of the Guaranteed Credit Approval and First Time Buyers Program. And today I've got for you a 2014 Altima S sedan, mid-sized vehicle. It's got a 4-cylinder with 182 horsepower. You get 27 miles per gallon in the city and 38 on the interstate. Safety rating on this vehicle is a 5-star. They don't make a 6. This is a top pick for safety rating. Folks, it's got Bluetooth, push button start, hands-free phone. It's got auxiliary, ABS brakes, a super comfortable riding vehicle also, and you got plenty of room in here. Hey listen, come on out and see us. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and this is a nice vehicle. Interior is spacious, plenty of room in the trunk. This is the S, and everybody knows how reliable Nissan has been for years and years and years, and the Altima has been its flagship. Runs on regular gas, by the way, also. You don't have to worry about high tests or anything like that. Hey, by the way, let's take a look inside. Got chrome door handles, power driver's seat. Plenty of room in here, folks. You know, the Altima really speaks for itself. It's been around a long time, and it's just super, super reliable. Hey, come on out and see us. Car Logic Group, Mount Juliet, we're 12295 Lebanon Road, or hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you soon. JC, have a fantastic day. Bye for now.